What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful Monday. The market will be back tomorrow, and actually, futures is open right now, guys. You can see the futures market is trading. Future markets doing a little bit of a double bottom price action here, guys. So something to keep an eye on, which we will. But what I really want to talk about today, my friends, is this inside bar swing trading opportunity for SPY. So I'm gonna get you all set up. I have a swing trade set up, and just talk about some opportunities going into this short week. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. First and foremost, let's do some shout outs. Gemini, Candice, Anthony, Sunrise, Bill, Briggs, Gus, Trading Wars Army. What's going on? G-Man, Heartstrong, Tyrone, Trading Wars Army, Dr. D, Celine, Colin, Carlos, what's going on? Quida, Devin, P, Shaw, Trading Wars Army, Janice, BD, M, what's going on? All right. Brian, Trading Wars Army. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's draw this up together. So, first and foremost, the last inside bar we had on the SPY daily chart was back here. This was on May 16th, and we had a choppy period between the 10th of May to the 16th of May. And we took the break out of this inside bar, and you can see we had a huge rally. So what we'll do first is let's go back and look at the 16th of May, and let's play that price action out so we can look at how we want to trade that going forward. Okay, so here we go, guys. So I'm trying to show you how the ideal situation for an inside bar looks like. Okay, so here we are, guys. We had this back on May 16th. We had this price action on the 15th. And then we had this inside bar on the 16th right there. Okay. So this is what an inside bar will look like on the 5-minute chart. So an inside bar is essentially the price action of that given day is within the price action of the previous day. And what that causes is something we like to call consolidation. We have a tightening of the range. Okay. So you could see right here, guys, we actually can go back an extra day. And what you'll see here, so I can draw the full tightening of the range. So we have this, and then we have this coming in like this. Okay. So it's really powerful setup because the option premiums also get decayed because we're not moving immediately in a vertical direction. Okay. So the options, they like immediate momentum. But when we start chopping around like this, the premiums get taken out. And that's a great opportunity for us to come and take advantage of those cheap premiums and look for these long-term swing trades or even just day trades. Okay. So we got that. This is the big box, small box. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense so far. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop into the Discord. I also posted this on the Twitter, but let's go ahead and find that long entry. All right, so go back. Let's go back to May. And out. So essentially what you want to do, guys, as the box is getting tighter and tighter, you want to go ahead and look for the breakout. And you don't know if it's going to break out long or to the downside. So you need to have two levels that are ready for both directions. So I like to have a long level and a short level. Okay. So here we go. So this is May 17th right there. All right. So let's go ahead and draw our long level and our short level. So 412.56 was our long level. Okay. So let's put that one in green. And our short level, 410.50. Okay. Here we go. So now our chart is ready to rock and roll. All right. So we have the price action getting tighter and tighter. Okay. We have an opportunity here to look for a breakout. So what are we looking for here? Okay. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm gonna put some notations here. Up here is the high of the range. Down here is the low of the range for the last 2 days. So if we break, okay, to the upside, right, we're going to be targeting the top of the range for the first target. Same thing if we break to the downside, the bottom of the range. But let's talk about what are the scenarios that can happen now. So this is your open. So let's see here. What are the options? Well, we can have something called an inside open. Okay. So the inside open, the candle can open in between our triggers, and then it can break upwards or it can break downwards. Okay. The second option is we can have a gap up. Okay. Let's move this arrow. And with a gap up, what we'll be looking for is a retest of the level and then a continuation to the upside. And then the final thing that can happen is a gap down. So there's only 3 things that can happen, right? So you have to be ready for each one of those situations. Okay. Right here, gap down. Okay. Here. And then it can retest the level and then sell off. So here we go. Hit me with a 20 if this makes sense and you're ready. So right here, these are the 3 scenarios. So remember, the green line is long, the red line is short. And we let the price action decide where it wants to go. We don't have a say. We play the price action only. So here we go. First 5-minute candle comes in, bang. Okay. So you can see it's an inside open. So we're waiting for it to pierce through the green or come back down and break the red. All right. So you can see so far, no opportunities, nothing. We're still in the middle of the range. And then finally here, the bulls start to get some momentum. So here's your fill. Okay. So then you can see we go sideways for a little bit and then boom, there's your second fill. And then from there, I'm going to fast forward now. Bang. Okay. And let's go back to May 16th. Oops, where did you go? One sec. Let's go all the way back to May 16th. Right there. All right. So there's an example. So you could see the crazy run that we went on. All right. This is a crazy, crazy run. So if you were doing options, so there's your entry. If you're doing options on this play, guys, that's, at least 200-300% plus. All right. So that is a strategy. We look for the consolidation. Okay. And then we have that entry and we're gone. And the way that we like to do these is through automation. Okay. Automate the trade. So you put one long entry and one short entry, and whichever side fails, that is the entry you will take. Hit me with the 20 if that makes sense. Okay. So now where are we now? So let's draw our price action now. Okay. So remember, on Wednesday, we took this breakout of this outside bar. Okay. So there's 2 types of bars, essentially, that I like to swing trade. And I keep it very simple. 2 types of bars to swing. Outside bar, inside bar. And then they combine. Okay. That's when you have like Holy Grail and Nirvana. Okay. So I'm going to send you guys my free indicators right now. My free indicators, what they'll do is they'll highlight those bars for you. So you don't have to, you don't have to worry about trying to identify them. It'll highlight it for you. So let me go ahead. I'm going to just go ahead here. I'll link this in the chat. All right, here you go, guys. Okay. So make sure you have these added on your chart. It'll help you to identify the patterns quickly. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is show you the outside bar style. Okay. And then you're going to have basically all the swing tools. All right, so here we go. So on Wednesday, we had an outside bar. So what does an outside bar mean now? Let's go ahead and draw that. Okay, so on the 14th, we have our price action from high to low like this. Okay, there's our 14th price action. But if you look at the 13th, you'll see a tight inside bar range. So an outside bar, guys, look at this. The outside bar completely engulfs Tuesday's range to the previous day's range. It makes a higher high and a lower low. And what was so critical about this outside bar in particular, guys, it was a doji. So a doji is when we end in the middle. Look where we close, right here in the middle. Okay. So this is another opportunity how we could swing trade. So this is one we took on Wednesday together. So again, let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So I posted this one on the Twitter. Let me go back and find it for you guys. I also posted it on YouTube. So please make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube and the Twitter, guys. I post these levels every single day. Okay. And you can see it was a huge day for me. Big gains right here, guys. Over 5,000. Actually finished with over 6,000 that day. So the 14th. Yeah. Okay. So our long level 438.51 right there. Put that in green. And our short level 434.14. Right there. Okay. So again, in this situation, when we take these swing trades, we do not have a bias. We let the price action play out. And that's exactly what we did again on Thursday. Okay. So let's go ahead right now. What are the three scenarios? What are they? Inside open, gap up, gap down. Okay. Those are the three scenarios. Let's play. Here's the first 5-minute bar, inside open. So we're waiting for it to break either the green line or the red line. Here we go, guys. Bang. There's our entry. There's our retest right there. Right there. And then, boom, she's gone. Okay. We move to 15 if that makes sense. So what I just showed you guys is one of my simple go-to swing trade strategies, outside bar swing trades and inside bar swing trades. Okay. And, I call these out every week on the Twitter and the Discord, and this one made us great money as well. So now, how did we end up where we are right now? Okay, now, where are we? We're back to an inside bar, okay? So here is the inside bar, okay? So I'm going to go ahead here. This is Friday's price action right there. And here is, right here is the low of Thursday. So what does this mean? Again, this right here, guys, price action is getting tighter. Look at this. And it's looking to blow. All right. And visually, you'll see a big box, small box, or some type of pennant flag, some type of consolidation. He moved to 15, if that makes sense. All right. So I posted my levels, and I'm also going to post some for the YouTube subscribers. Okay. So here's the levels. 442.75. Well, let's go ahead and let's go into the Discord. I have them nicely laid out. SPY swing trades right here. All right. So here's our long level, 442.75. So write these ones down, guys, or just subscribe so you have them. That's our long. Okay. And what's our short? 439.39. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you something a little bit top secret. Okay. So hit me with a 10 if you're ready. All right. So this is our swing plan. Ready to go again. What I want to show you now, guys, is futures. Futures is still trading right now. So let's put together some of these instruments right now. Okay. So check this out. So let me remove this. Okay. So on Friday, this is Friday right here at 9:30. We took a short. Okay. We also went live on YouTube. I did a live streaming session. On Friday, we went short. We shorted using the Fibonacci bot. Okay. Right here. And we were able to capture $1,200. Okay. So now let's see how that plays into this. Does that mean anything? Well, let's look at the price action here. All right. So here we go. So 9:30. So we went short at 10:29 using the Fibonacci bot. So here we go. Here's 9:30. Here's our original push down in the morning. Okay. So what do? Take our Fibonacci from the high to the low, and I'm going to double click. I'm going to put on everything, and I just want you to watch the 618. That's all we care about for now. Okay. Watch the 618. So here we go, guys. We start to rally. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. 10:29. We're in short. Okay. Let me extend this. So first thing is, let's talk about this. Up to this point, if I take another Fibonacci from low to high, you can see, guys, we're right there on the 786. So this is looking extremely bullish for the bulls. Everything's looking great. Okay, hit me with a 4. If that does this look bullish at this point, right? This is just a bull trend, a normal pullback. Okay, and then a nice push. So we got puts right here, and you might be saying, Rich, that's crazy. So we knew that on Fridays there's a potential for a sell-off, and we got the puts while the market was green because they're the cheapest price. They give us the most opportunity to make the most money. Okay, and then from here, what you'll see, guys, let me fast forward. Boom. We ended up coming in here, shorting. We retested the level again, and we ended the day. Okay, watch this right here on the 618 extension. We ended the day. Let's go to futures now. So that's 3:55. Let's go to futures. That's 4 o'clock. Okay. So here's Monday, Sunday, Friday, right there. Okay. So let's go ahead and draw the Sunday open, which was right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a line there. Okay. So market closed right here Friday. So far, guys, we've been trending down. Okay. And that's very interesting because we saw the bear algo on Friday when we shorted, and it's been continuing to sell off. And what I'm going to do, one more thing that I'm going to do here, guys, I'm going to take the Fibonacci from the last swing high, bring it down to the low right here. You could see, guys, right on the 618 over there, and I'm going to extend it over here. Boom. Okay. So right now, as it stands, we will not be opening inside of the range. We'll actually be gapping down right here. Okay. We'll be down here if we continue to sell off. So we have a long time. Okay. And the market can still definitely rally and come into this box. But as of right now, we'd be gapping down. So in that case, we'd be looking for a retest and then a breakdown like that. Okay. So that's what it looks like so far. So we're going to see how it plays out tomorrow. And we do the exact same thing, guys, as we did on Wednesday. And if for whatever reason we can't get back in on this level, so let's say it just opens and then it just starts going down, we'll look for the Fibonacci pullback or the entry to go short. Okay. And move the 15 if that makes sense. All right, guys. So I'm super excited for this week. If I go back here to the weekly chart for futures, you can already see, guys, it's a little bit of red. It's not a big range yet, but it is red so far. And I do think we're going to have some kind of consolidation or a red week coming very soon, either this week or next week. This week, because it's only a 4-day week, it might be a little bit of, just nothing happening. But I do expect to see some red soon, just because there needs to be a little bit of consolidation or a little bit of a pullback for this to be healthy, or we're just going to start to go into euphoria zone, and that can get extremely dangerous. Okay. All right, guys. So I just shared my swing plan with you. Please subscribe and follow me for daily updates, and I'll keep sharing them with you guys, and we'll keep going. It's a short week. It's only 4 days, and I want to make as much money as possible. Last Friday, we had a really great day, and on the swing trade, we've made over $6,000. So if I can get 2 more weeks like that, I'll be extremely happy to finish off June in a very strong way. All right, guys. So please make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, check me out at tradingwars.com, guys. If you want to come trade with us live, trade with the Fibonacci bot, and see what we do live every single day, you can subscribe here on the main page, $49.99 a month, guys, and come trade with us live. Or if you want to buy any one of my 3 books, so 1, 2, 3. So here's the one on SPY. So the one on SPY talks about futures and these patterns, inside, outside bars, everything in detail. It's 70 pages and over 50 charts, $100. And instead of getting 1 month for free, you're going to get 2 months for free in the Discord as a little promotion that I'm doing. All right, guys, look, otherwise than that, let me know what you think below. Do you think we're going to crash this week? I do, I'm starting to get a little bit nervous because everybody's thinking about going bullish. I think we need a little bit of a pause here, guys, just to reset a little bit. All right. So thanks so much for your time. And I'll see you live tomorrow. Let's go ahead. And one more thing, guys. If you want me to do a live stream on Friday, just hit me with a like and hit me with the subscribe button. And I'll try to go live again on Friday and share my stream with you guys and look for some more plays. Okay. Thank you so much, my friends. Take care.